Stand out on sight with the Kishigo Reflective Color Contrast Vest. Expertly crafted from lime ultra cool mesh for increased breathability, this vest prioritizes your comfort and safety. Keeping visibility in mind, it features 2-inch wide high-performance reflective bands set against 3-inch contrasting reflective colored panels. We've also incorporated reflective colored trim around the armholes, hem, and pockets, and a zippered front closure with matching contrast. With the presence of color identification along with ANSI compliance, this vest will assist in managing the workforce efficiently and provide enhanced visibility to distinguish employee access in high-traffic areas. This vest features 5 heavy-duty pockets, a left chest radial pocket with retractable clear ID and flap, 2 lower zippered kangaroo pockets, an inside right chest 2-tier 4-division pencil pocket, and an inside lower left reinforced tablet pocket with a load-bearing strap. This vest is ANSI 107 Type R Class 2 compliant and is available in sizes medium through 5X in lime with contrasting trim in red, black, green, and blue.